Hey guys, I am back to show you how to make these chunky aluminum hair cuffs. These are lock twist jewels for when your hair is braided. Like if you want to wear chunky braids, like I'll do 2 braids on each side and I'll put these on. And someone asked me to make this video and I said, yeah, that's a good idea, let's do it. Alright, so they're super easy. Aluminum is what you'll need, aluminum wire. It's very easy to move and bend. It's, you know, you can bend it with your hands. You'll also need some, I don't know what we call these. These are jewelry wire wrapping tools and some wire cutters. Okay, and then to make them thick, if you want to make them smaller but chunky, use a pencil. If you want them thick like these, you can use a marker, like a thick marker, okay? It's a very forgiving piece of jewelry. And so what I'm doing is I'm just removing some, and I'd never measure these. I'm just gonna say, no 2 come out the same. In fact, just so you can see what I mean, I have these 2. They're similar, you know, I tried to get them as tight as I could, you know, similar as I could. But as you can see, one is a little bit tighter, one's a little bit looser. I was just going with the flow, having fun with it. And then you see this other style, same difference. One is tighter, one is looser. I don't know if I even remember how I did these. I just allowed my hands to do the work and I stopped when it looked like the wire was going to run out. Okay. All right, so let me put those to the side and I'm just gonna cut myself some wire. I'm thinking close to 2 feet. 2 feet, that's what we're gonna do. Let me cut that off. Now, set this aside. Set all this aside, okay. And now I have my, make sure it's even too. So when you put it around your marker, it's as even as possible on the ends. And now, I hope you can see this. You just cross it over like so. You see how I did that? I just crossed it over. Very simple. And then I brought one down. I'm bringing one up. And I'm taking this one and I'm just following it along. Now make sure, oh wait, I got to bring, so I'm bringing one up and over, and I'm bringing the one I took down over. So it's sort of like they're chasing each other. You see how I did that? Okay, make sure that you're holding the wire tight at the base right here, okay? And now what you want to do is get kind of fancy with it and just spin it around. And you see, with these, I went around 3 times in the back. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. With these, I went around 2 times. I just went with the flow. This one, so far, is just 1, but I'm going to go back around because I want it to be more cuff in the back, right? So you see how I did that, and I'm just wrapping it on around like so. Have fun with it. And so now I have 3 in the back. Turning it around in the front, I'm trying to decide which way do I want to go. Do I want to go circular some more, or do I want to go dipsy doodle? So now that I want to go dipsy doodle, I made that decision pretty quickly. I'm holding on right here, right? I'm bringing my wire down, and then I'm just going right back up. And I think I want it to dipsy like that. I'm going back up. I'm turning it like so, going around. See how it's meeting this other side? I'm gonna go up. Boom. That's pretty neat. That's pretty cute. That is really cute. You really cannot mess up with these. You cannot go wrong. You cannot mess up. You can create these and sell them. And now I'm going to just finish it out. Kept it real simple. Kept it really simple. So I'm just going to finish it out, and I'm going to curl these ends. Okay, so let's do this one. Can you see how I'm curling it? You see how I'm curling it? Boom. See that curl? Boom. Tightened it up like that. Okay. And I'm going to kind of move that one out of the way so that I can get to this one. And make sure you curl them good, because these can snag in your hair. So you see how I have this? You can opt to take this off of your marker if you want. That's cute. Simple but cute. So taking it off the marker may give you a little more of a grip. And then you just use your finger as the base to support, and you just twist it. And I like to go all the way in because I want to make sure that this sucker is in so that I don't snag my hair. Okay, and this one can stand to go in a little more too. I'll just go ahead and circle that around. You could actually use your fingers to circle this around more. Don't be afraid of it. This is a very forgiving project, so don't be afraid of it. Okay. And I always put it back on the whatever I'm shaping it on, because what I want is for everything to be rounded. Make sure that it's flush and round like your braid is gonna be, and not sticking out. And so you see how it's sticking out here, so I'll just do something to correct it. Something simple, basic. In fact, let me go the other way. It's real simple and basic to correct it. Not copper, I'm sorry. Aluminum is very malleable and easy to move, very soft. And there you have it. There you have it. This is so cute on like a thick lock, or if you have the chunky braids or twists. If you want to put more than one, like if you have like smaller braids and you have more than one, you can slide them down in here. People aren't wearing these. I haven't seen it. If they are, I haven't seen it. With copper wire, just so you know, you can also make earrings, okay? And it's also cool. Years ago, I made and sold the earrings. Very simple to do. All you need is to start it and swirl it. I even have some that I hammered. I took a dishcloth and a real hammer, went outside with the brick, and I hammered it, and it gave it another texture, another effect. You can do that and then glue your earring back on it, and boom, you got yourself a cute pair of earrings. These are earrings I had for years, or earring bases I had for years, and did not complete them, didn't finish them, just, you know, lost interest or whatever. But this is another one. I was just playing around, and this is a nice pair of earrings, if I have to say so myself. Okay, I'm gonna do another design, one more design. These are so fun to do. I got my wire years ago from the local, it was Pat Catan's. They've gone out of business, or at least in my city. We no longer have a Pat Catan, so. And I was making these for my twist, but not as chunky. Chunky, but not as chunky. And I was using the colored wire. I don't really care for colored wire. Most of them seem to chip, even though you have genuine copper or genuine whatever underneath. I don't like that chipping. I need it to be what it is for a long period of time. Okay, now you see how it's not even right here? That's okay. I'm going to even it out. Like I said, you see how easy it is to, and I'm going to repeat what I did the first time. It's just basically crossing it over. And this time I'm going to cross them over twice. I think that's twice, yeah. Okay, and now I'm going to take this one up, this one down, and I'm going to allow this one to chase this one, and then I want this one to chase the other one. You see what I got? Boom. I like them together like this, so I'm going to take them, now that I have them both together, I'm going to hold on tight to the middle. You see I have the loop, and then now I'm going to just go up, and I want to make another loop. So to make that other loop, I'm going to follow through. Follow through. I have that other loop. And now I want to just wrap this around. A couple times. And then I'm done. You see how this loop is sticking out? All I'm going to do is lay it down. Make it flat. Boom. No big deal. No big deal. And I just did sort of a spiral effect, okay? Like I said, they don't have to be perfect, but this is the beauty of it. And they all look different. Where's the one I just did? This one is a shorter one. I mean, and you can wear one. I like to wear them just strung all the way down. It's so cute. Okay, I'm going to finish these loops. Got to finish it off. I will separate them. And you're going to come out with different designs than this probably, which is really cool. Because it's your own hand. That's one. I kind of want to take this design down, but when I do that, I always mess up the look. So I'm going to stick with what I was doing. And I'll practice that part some other day. Play around with that some other day. I hope you guys have fun with this project. Like I said, I got my wire from the local craft store, and that craft store was actually less expensive than Michael's. You probably can find this at a Joann Fabrics, Amazon. If I find it on Amazon, I'll link it. You can probably find it on eBay. Fire Mountain Jewelry, they have a ton of different types of wires, and you can get lost. If you're into crafting, you already know about them. You will get lost there, Fire Mountain Jewelry. I'm just saying. Okay, and now I'm going to take her off. Stunning. She is so cute. If I have to say so myself. Ooh. Now I'm about to refresh my hair so that I can put these on. I hope I can fit all of them on because I plan on wearing all of them. I love it. Oh my gosh. And you know what? This is not a sponsored video, by the way, but I'm going to say hashtag support a sister. Shout out to Delightful Gifts and More. Check her out. And also check out and follow her on Facebook. I love when she does demonstrations on her tumblers. I needed something to drink my water out of. This is stainless steel, but look at the glitter. This is custom made. And you see my slogan, live simply and be kind. And it's just, I chose the colors. It's so glittery and beautiful. And I plan on getting another one. Anyway, I was about to either drink some champagne or some water. I don't know which one, but this keeps things cold. If you have champagne or a chilled wine and you're not going to be able to carry it in an ice bucket or something, put it in this and it will stay cold. If you have some soup, put it in this and it will stay hot. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until the next one, live simply and be kind. Smooches.